checked into my new hotel room for the next 3 nights because I decided to change my flight and stay in New York longer, and I asked for the highest floor possible and they give me the fucking penthouse. I'm so stoked, but actually it's so scary out on the balcony. I do not feel safe. I feel like I'm gonna fall to the ground. So yeah, I just wanted to show you my room, but I will be spending the next 3 nights all alone in the Big Apple. I think it's nice to spend some time alone, which is why I decided to extend my stay after Maggie had to leave. I just wanted some alone time because I think it's good for the soul. So that's why I'm here, and I will be taking you along with me on this alone in New York City journey. I've never experienced anything so disgusting. Last New York fit check. Ooh. I ran out of underwear, so now I need to find underwear. It's not Macy's. That caught my attention on Instagram advertisements, and I've been dying to get it, but it's an hour walk. I was gonna take the subway, but I actually might just walk because I have nothing else to do, so why not just like walk and shop and see what I find along the way. So let's see what I get into. The last Black Friday, I bought that online, but it was a scam. Luckily I used my credit card so I got my money back, but that was stupid. I got 2 rings. The gold one was 15 and the silver one was 25, which I think is kind of a ripoff, but it went with my outfit today, so I decided fuck it. Got another ring from a thrift store. It has little mushrooms on it. It's $42. Hella expensive, but it's cute, so fuck it. Stumbled into more like thrifting. This is so amazing.
Oh my god, it's so stunning. I may not be the man some girls think of.
Unfortunately did not get anything from the market. I really wanted to, but nothing was screaming my name. A lot of things were calling it, but nothing screaming it. But I did get a horchata latte because I'm extremely dehydrated, and I'm aware that coffee is dehydrating, but I was chugging water and nothing was helping, so I figured to switch it up. But I'm just walking aimlessly. I just realized I'm in East Village now. I used to live here, so I'm like, oh shit, I recognize this stuff. But still shopping. My feet hurt, but it's probably because I walked 5 miles so far and I haven't stopped walking since I started walking, minus to sit down for lunch. I did get a tote bag though, so I'm not carrying that stupid freaking brown bag. Anyways, keep walking. walk home. We're 30 minutes on the subway. I'm like, sick of the same shit. I might as well just walk. I've literally just walked all day. That's it. What did I do in New York? Fucking walked. 1 hour to go. Wow! I just realized that Levain Bakery is only 8-minute walk away, so I'm gonna stop there and get some cookies. That just made me really happy. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. She wanna vibe. Bag secured. 20 minutes, 1 mile to go. 6 blocks to go. If it was any longer, my feet would fall off. Please get these shoes off my feet. Oh my god, my feet! Ah! I'm dead. 8 miles, 20,000 steps today. Holy fuck! I definitely deserve this cookie right now. Quick haul of everything I got today. I got this vintage hat for a friend, this Mercury candle. Ironically, Mercury is in retrograde right now, but I got this for myself. I got this shirt on sale for $30. This lighter for a friend. The underwear from earlier, I'm wearing one of the pairs right now. I changed in the fitting room into them. Is that really all I got? Seems as though. I wish I would have found more clothes, but it was still fun just walking around anyways, so I'm not that mad about it, and I guess I saved money. But I need more clothes, so I was kind of hoping to find some, but whatever. I'm gonna shower, rinse all the filth off of my body, and then I need to pack because my flight's in the morning. Don't come for literally how disastrous this room is. Like, what the fuck? I don't know how that happened. But that's all for this Alone in New York vlog. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video to support my channel. I really appreciate it, and so does the algorithm. But anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!